Welcome to the tutorial producing videos with the artificial intelligence website InVideo AI. Creating a video on InVideo AI is as simple as typing a prompt. Just specify your topic, voiceover preferences, and video orientation, and let the magic happen. InVideo AI transforms your ideas into captivating visuals. Choose from various voiceover styles and orientations, ensuring your video fits your audience perfectly. Watch out the complete magic of this website in this video. Let's get started the video. Sign up for InVideo AI. Go to the website and click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner. Then, enter your email address and click on Create Account. Alternatively, you can use your Google or Apple ID to sign up. Log into your account if you already have an account. Look for the code in inbox of your email. After you created account and login in platform, you will facing this page. Provide a detailed prompt and instructions for the kind of video you're looking for. For example, we have provided a prompt to create a 2-minute video on how AI will change the future of digital marketing. And click Generate a Video. To achieve better results while using InVideo AI, it's recommended to provide specific and detailed information. You can select a workflow to help you create shorts or reels, explainer videos, and if would like to create a video from a script. In this column you add your topic and give a short explain about the topic. Make sure your script is clear, concise, and engaging. Consider adding humor or personal anecdotes to make the video more relatable. And this prompt text is optional. You can guide and add extra specific creative prompt for your video. After you added the prompt in the prompt box, from the settings you can select the gender and voice, then select what kind of subtitle you need in your video. If you are using premium and upgrade account, you can add your own watermark in your videos. After you completed the prompt and settings, click the Continue to generate your video. In this prompt box you can review the topic and settings if it's alright. Click to generate. To generate a video, it takes a few minutes. But it depends on your network connection and your device. On this pop-up page you can select your audience, platform and your video look level, choose the right options and click Continue. Sit back and relax while InVideo AI analyzes your prompt and generates a video. Your video will be ready in just a few minutes. Once it's done, play it to see if you like it. InVideo AI is an easy-to-use AI video generator that transforms your ideas into ready-to-publish videos. It comes as no surprise that InVideo AI has become a popular choice among content creators, given its extensive features and tools for producing professional-looking videos. If you want to make any changes to the video, there are 2 ways to do it. Firstly, you can give InVideo AI a command to edit the video. For instance, you can say something like, replace all footages to free footage, and InVideo AI will analyze your command and make the necessary edits. Edit button. Here, you have 2 options. Edit media. This option lets you replace any visuals from the stock library or even upload your own media. In the search box, add your text or a specific recording name and enter. InVideo AI tries to find related recordings for you, then select the suitable one for your content. And apply for changes. Edit script. This option allows you to change the entire script or any specific word. You can make adjustments to your script and the supers that come on screen and regenerate the video based on the new script. Once you are satisfied with your video, click on the Export button. From there, you can choose your preferred options for the watermark, InVideo AI branding, and export resolution. Finally, click Continue, and your video will be ready for download. Thank you all so much for joining me on this journey today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Your support means the world to me. Also, feel free to leave any comments or suggestions down below. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.